should start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now, we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house, a car. Me the girls them funny, but if that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky, it really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them mother man. Yes, we are them mother man.
You know my name is Mr. Alabaska from the land of Shalaska, representing for all those sexy ladies over there. Shalom, mashallah. Me girl, you are one, you know, you really turn me on, you know, down, you know, like Father God in command, you know,
Oh, I was dreaming. Wait.
What's up?
Yo, a street me road me said today, you know.
Where's the player? It has dropped asleep right now.
It's not like one time, you know. We're rolling deep now.
Yo, anything you say in the hype, from a road to road.
Yo, just tell the rest of the man them, yeah?
Yo, Clumsy.
Yeah. On the base right now?
Yes, man, I'll be there.
Don't move a muscle. Alright, bless.
Me go there. Ah.
Hey, grandma. What's up? I'm okay. You? Yes, she's here. Hold on. Mommy, phone. She coming.
Hello, Mama. How you doing?
I'm not feeling so well at all.
What you saying to me? So what the doctor say?
I need some money because, you see, when I have to depend on other people, it give me depression. And me and depression don't agree. You have any money?
Yes, Mama. I have a look at savings.
So send it come now. We are save it for Ami's sake.
Mama, after come down there, come sort out you and the doctor and all of those things.
So if you send in the money, you don't have to come. Eh? You don't have your business in town to tend to.
Mama, I have to come and look for you. You need somebody to take care of you. Plus, you know, you and money don't agree.
Well, send the money with the money transport people them and you can come down after. I need to go to doctor right now.
All right, Mama. I will see you.
All right, dear. Bye-bye.
All right, yeah, take care. You never see a woman love money, so God almighty. Look here now, Junior.
What now, mommy?
I notice you're eyeing the little skinny mirrors my girlfriend cross the road. Watch yourself. Because all them after is your money. With money, not more than the money.
No, man, mommy, man. I was just taking in the view, you know?
Taking in view. You think me an idiot? Anyway, look here. When your girl come and say, Papa, you will find her. Don't worry yourself. I'm going by the country to look for your grandmother. So she's not feeling too well. Again. Hello. I don't want that grabs a friend of yours in my house. All right, me, I warn you.
Mommy, what you have against Grabsy?
Me? I have nothing against Grabsy. I just think that you need to choose your combos a bit more careful.
Mommy, you don't understand, you know. Grabsy gets the shows for us. Why are you so apprehensive about him?
Look here, darling. I don't know what them big words mean, you know. But whatever it means, I am not impressed by Grabsy. All right? Did I get that right?
Yes, Mommy, yeah.
Grabsy don't get show for you and your friend them. Grabsy get show for himself. You think if Grabsy could do the show, he wouldn't do it? You think he wanna tell you about it? Tap farm fool, ya boy.
That's why I mean, I like deal with them technology thing, you know. I prefer staying on my car and blow.
Mr. Wedderburn, again. Very pleasant good morning to you. Listen now, please continue to do your usual duty and watch the house for us. That man need a regular dose of Viagra to give him something to do. Oh hell, my bag. Hold on there.
Hi.
Hi. You remember me?
I have a vague memory of you, but I know I've seen you before.
I have a feeling.
I remember now. The lady that won the lotto. What were you doing there?
Oh, I was there with a friend.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you live here?
Yes. I'm Hemsley. They call me Hype.
I'm Andrea.
Andrea.
So where did you get the name?
What, Hype? Oh, it's a long story. When you have time, I'll tell you.
All right. I heard music coming from the house the other day.
Yeah, man, music is my passion. Music is my first love.
I wonder what your second love is.
No, not like that, not like that.
You really should always say exactly what you mean, you know. You don't want to give the girl the wrong idea.
No, I don't want to give you the wrong idea at all.
Anyway, I have to go now. I'll see you sometime.
Can I call you sometime?
I told you to say exactly what you want to say.
Yes.
Call me and I'll get your number. Bye.
Lordy. Yeah.
Hi, I have a question for you.
Shoot.
Why not allow me to manage the crew? Straight up, full force, lock, stock and barrel.
Grabsy, the crew don't trust you. How much time I must tell you that, Star?
That is unfair. I am the most trusted man in the Caribbean. But listen, my Hype, I have a deal coming up. And after that, I'd love to manage the crew for life. There's so much I could do for this group, you know. Because I have the marketing skills, I have the strategy and the logistic.
You know what? I don't even want to talk about that. Hear the new lyrics, sir. So when you're living in a garrison, ain't no comparison. Every youth from uptown, you are with them a listen. Your military regiment told I just a come from prison. You want out to lock the place up with the shine and glisten. Him say your friend could be your enemy be your friend. Might eat and walk and smoke and drink and even talk with them. The same damn friend will do you win in the end. Vanity's calamity, no trust none of them. Can you live it, yo?
Man, that is true the material. We should check Sly right away. Look here. Why you don't follow me down to the studios and let me show you how powerful Grabsy is?
Like no?
Like yesterday.
May I see your driver's license, sir?
Boy, officer, you want to see? I ran out of the house and I forgot it, you know.
Driving without your license is a criminal offense, and points can be deducted from it. Who does this car belong to?
This is my vehicle.
You and your friend exit the vehicle, sir. Oh, so you're an entertainer? You must have money. On the car, yeah. So what you say? It's 4 points that you're going to lose.
I just left it by accident.
You see it? That is what we're trying to avoid, accidents. That is 4 points, man. But What you can do for yourself?
What do you mean?
Is your hand in the fire, you know? You must draw it out slowly.
Right now, I'm broke, you know. I only have 5 bills.
5 bills? That is just a juice money, man. Help yourself, man. Do better than that.
What's going on here?
Officer, it's just a little spot check.
Okay, I'll take it from here.
Oh, okay.
Yes, man, I would have more for this time. What am I for?
Show me the life.
So you can't help yourself. Help yourself, man. Just give me a tip.
We are star. Real star.
It's official Benzly Hype Stars. Yeah, my bro. I'm a G, bless up, you know. We're there, so if you want Me and Mi KRU stuff, just get the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, get the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link there. You understand? This is the official video, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me, I say, we're there, I don't know. Been away for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?